Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jen. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be sharing a baby list welcome box. I am going to be sharing my Amazon registry box, and I also have my Target registry bag to share that I picked up. So we're gonna start off with the baby list box, since that's the one that I got first. So I will link some resources down below for you if you're interested in getting one of these boxes. And let's see, I believe this box was $4.95 for the shipping, but the box was free. You have to create a registry with Baby List, and they have like a whole bunch of stores on their app that you can combine your registries together. Once you do that, you're able to sign up and get the free box. So box was free. Shipping I think was like $4.99. So let's go ahead and get started on what's in the box. Now I did peek because, you know, I'm excited. I have no patience. Let me just zoom out a little bit. I have, no patience, and I want to see what's in the box. So the first thing here is just a baby registry guide for 2019. So that's what that looks like. We do have this Nano Baby. I think that's what it's called. Let's see. And it has a pacifier, and it also has some milk storage bags. I've actually never seen these before. I've seen the bottle at Target, but I've never tried them. Then we have some diapers here, and it says, "Hello, my name is Taylor, EST 2019. So this is from the Huggies Made by You, Diapers by Design. So it looks like you can customize your baby's diaper to have the baby's name on it, which is really, really cute. We have the infamous breast pads that we get in every single bag. We have a Carter's onesie, and this is in size 3 months. Always useful to get these in your bags. We have the Newborn Essential Noodle and Boo, and this is the hair and body wash and the super soft lotion. Have that. Then we have a bib, a red bib, and shop iPlaybaby.com. Okay, so this is a red bib from iPlaybaby.com. Then we have the sample. I showed this in another video. So these I've already gotten, and actually this and this I've already gotten in another box. Water wipes. I love getting these. I've already put these in my bag too. We have the Even Flow breast milk storage bags. There's a coupon in the back, and you get 2 of them, so 2 count. The infamous Pampers Swaddlers little bag. Have a few of those. And then what is this? A Passy pouch by Baby Katan. Ooh, okay. Let's open this. This I'm excited for. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's very bright. So it's a little Passy pouch. And you're going to hear Grizzly crying because he wants to get out. He's behind the baby gate. Oh, this is cool. I wish it was a different color. Maybe like a neutral color. But this is cute. Passy pouch. Then we have a coupon for the babykatan.com. And then some brochures and registry bags. Alright, so that's everything in that bag. So I really did like this. I'm excited for this. I'm always excited for this one and for this as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my giveaway that I have started accumulating for, because I have like 3 already and I have a lot of those. So yeah, this was a good box, especially since you're only paying for the shipping. Oh yeah, I like this too, but I do have a lot of bags, so I'll probably put this in the giveaway as well. All right, so the next thing that we are going to be opening is, the bottom is dirty, I'm sorry. So the next thing that we're going to be opening is this Target bag, and all you have to do is make a registry in store or online, and then you pick this up at the store. So I'm just going to dump everything out because I don't have enough space to like lift it like this. So just going to dump everything out. All right. So we're just going to get all of these out of the way. These are all the pamphlets that they give you. This is a Baby Ganix coupon and sample. Then we have an Aquaphor baby sample and a massage lotion Palmer stretch mark cream. I need to use this. I've been so bad at like putting lotion on my belly, and I need to get my life together. So that's that. And this, I haven't seen a lot of people talk about this book, but there are tons and tons and tons of coupons in here. First of all, there's a 50% off Starbucks coupon in here. There are diaper coupons, nursing bra coupons, Cloud Island coupons, the Palmer's, Cottonelle. There's pads in here, razors. But the coupon that I wanted to talk to you guys about is the free formula coupon. Like, there's a coupon for you to get a free formula bottle. It was right here. I'll try to insert a picture, but I'm using a different software, so I might not be able to. But this is the coupon. Let me see if I have a picture on my phone. Hold on one second. Okay, so let's see if you can see. So this is the free formula coupon. I took a picture of it when I was in store, and you're able to get this bottle of formula for free. So I'm not sure why no one's showing the coupon, but this is amazing. Even if you don't use it, there are tons of moms that will use this, that will need this, that you can donate this to. So even if you're planning on breastfeeding like myself, things do happen, that's understandable. But to be able to get this for free, and this is like an $8 value I think at my store, this is amazing. So don't miss out on this coupon. Rant's over, but this is so important. All right, so coupon book, tons of good stuff in here. How many of these can one person get? So I already have a bunch of these. Obviously, we did get one in our other box that we just opened. We also have the sample of the Up and Up brand diapers. This is size 1, and this is a 2 count of diapers. We have a sample of the Honest diapers, and this is again size 1. And it brings, I'm just gonna open this. Oh, these are so cute. It has little panda bears and then little giraffes. These are so, so cute. I love these. And then the wipey sample. We also have a Dr. Brown's bottle, which I love these. I know they have a lot of pieces and some people don't care for them, but I enjoy using these for sure. Per usual, we get the wipies. No, sorry, not wipies, the breast pads. And we also get a pacifier, and this is the Man Brand Newborn. And I'm sorry if you hear hammering, my neighbors. Oh, my neighbors. And this is just some 7th generation coupons over here. So that is it in my Target bag. I didn't get much, but that's okay. And then what I have been waiting for forever, this is my Amazon box. Now, in order to get this box, you have to be a Prime member. and you have to create a registry with them and make a $10 purchase from your registry in order to get this box. And I can go ahead and show you what I purchased in order to get my box. So my $10 purchase minimum was this. This was actually $20. It is a wipey dispenser. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. Between my dog Grizzly and my neighbors, like, they're driving me crazy. So this is my this is my wipey dispenser, and just opens like this, and this is supposed to be weighted. So I took the stickers off because it had this nasty sticker on it that like left the residue. You can kind of see where I try to like scrub it, like right here and right here. I hate when companies do that. Like, they put these stickers on that are so hard to get off. But this was my purchase. This was on my registry, and it's just a wipey dispenser from XOX, and this is the weight. So what happens is this, you can hear that it's pretty heavy, so when you pull out the wipey, it's not gonna let like a whole bunch of them come out. So that is what I chose to get, and it had some good reviews, so I feel like I have to scrub this some more to get all the sticky residue off. So that was my purchase, and this is my box. So I saw tons of people unboxing these, and they got some really good items. So this is to show you that some people are going to get things that are different than yours. They're constantly changing their inventory for the welcome boxes. And I'll be honest and tell you that my box was not the greatest, but I am grateful to get the things that, you know, were in here. So they just give you this little thank you for your registry card. You have a sample of the stage 1 newborn, which I'm excited to get this. Of course, my favorite, the water wipes. Love getting these. You get the Honest Face and Body Lotion. This is great for diaper bags. Some Advent breast pads. And the Advent's 4-ounce natural bottle from the Advent brand. I've never seen these before. They remind me of the Tommy Tippy at the top. We have another, I'm gonna have a collection of these. Another one of these little diaper bag things. And this I was excited for. I don't own any muslin swaddle blankets. I'm gonna go ahead and open it because I have to wash it anyway. And this is the zebra print. Oh, it's so soft. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is really nice. That is exciting. So my box wasn't as exciting as everyone else's, but I am grateful for it. And honestly, I was gonna purchase the things in my registry anyway, so it wasn't like a big deal for me to make the purchase. But I will have to let you know in advance. Once I completed my purchase, it took about a week and a half for me to get my box. So it wasn't available when I made my purchase. They sent me an email letting me know that the box was available. So that's when I knew that it was on its way. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe. It lets me know that you enjoy this kind of content. And I have another haul that I am accumulating. I want to make sure that I have enough items to show you guys what we've been buying for the baby. And hopefully I find out what we're having soon because the suspense is killing me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.